Hello students, today we are going to continuing our chapter 5th in our exercise 5.1. Up till we have completed our exercise 5.1's question number 1 to 6. Now today we are going to discuss further after the question number 6, that is from question number 7. Okay, here question number 7 is saying that simplify the following terms. Okay, so first question is saying that we need to simplify -5 raised to the power 3 multiply with 2 raised to the power 2. Okay, I hope you all students has go through my previous videos, correct? So now today we are going to solving this algebraic expressions, okay, or these kind of terms. How can we solve them? What is the meaning of -5 raised to the power 3? इसका क्या मतलब, इसका क्या मीन होता है -5 raised to the power 3? -5 raised to the power 3 means that here -5 is getting to multiply itself 3 times, correct? यहाँ पे क्या मीन हो रहा है, यहाँ पे ये बोल रहा है कि -5 जो है वो मल्टीप्लाई करेगा खुद से ही 3 टाइम्स. ओके, सो -5 मल्टीप्लाई विथ -5 मल्टीप्लाई विथ -5. ओके, सो आई विल राइट दिस टर्म एज अ -5 मल्टीप्लाई विथ -5 मल्टीप्लाई विथ -5. करेक्ट. नाउ हियर आई विल गेट 2 raised to the power 2. What is here? Here we are having 2 raised to the power 2, means here 2 is multiplying with itself for 2 times. So I will write here 2 multiply with 2, correct? Because here 2 raised to the power 2 and here -5 raised to the power 3. So on multiplying these, as I have having here 3 times negative signs. What is in 3 times negative signs? और हमने क्या पिछले प्रॉपर्टीज़ में रीड किया है, क्या देखा हमने कि इफ़ देयर एनी ऑड पावर टू एनी नेगेटिव नंबर्स, इफ़ वी हैविंग एनी ऑड पावर्स टू एनी ऑफ द नेगेटिव नंबर, देन वी विल गेट एन आंसर इज आल्सो एन नेगेटिव नंबर, करेक्ट? मीन्स इफ़ वी हैविंग एनी नेगेटिव नंबर, ओके, जिसकी पावर क्या है, ऑड है, क्या है, जिसकी पावर क्या है, ऑड डिजिट है, तो उसका हमें रिजल्ट वापस क्या मिलेगा, हमेशा नेगेटिव ही मिलेगा. क्या मिलेगा? नेगेटिव ही मिलेगा. ओके, एंड इफ़ वी हैविंग एनी नेगेटिव नंबर हुज पावर इज़ इवन, जिसकी पावर क्या हो, इवन वैल्यू हो, जिसकी पावर में क्या हो, नेगेटिव नंबर है पर उसकी पावर में क्या है, इवन नंबर है, देन वी विल गेट हियर पॉजिटिव नंबर. ओके, तो हमें जो रिज़ल्ट में जो नंबर मिलेगा वह क्या मिलेगा, पॉजिटिव मिलेगा. यहाँ पे नेगेटिव नंबर का पावर कितना है, ऑड है या इवन है? 3 इज़ एन अवर ऑड नंबर, सो हियर वी विल गेट द रिजल्ट इज़ एन आल्सो बी एन अवर नेगेटिव नंबर, करेक्ट? तो इसका जो रिजल्ट आएगा -5 रेज टू द पावर 3 का, दैट विल बी आवर नेगेटिव नंबर. ओके, सो वी विल राइट हियर माइनस ऑफ 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply with 2 multiply with 2. So the result will be our negative. Here on multiplying these numbers, what we will get, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 multiply with 4, 2 2s are 4, so we will get 500, but the answer will be our negative 500. Okay, now we goes to solve our B part. What is the B part? Is saying -1 raised to the power 11 multiply with -2 raised to the power 4 multiply with -3 raised to the power 5, correct? Okay, now हमें इसे सॉल्व करना है, तो हाउ वी विल सॉल्व इट? देखो, what I have said just yet, what I have said here, that if we having any negative number और उनकी पावर क्या होती है, वो भी अगर ऑड डिजिट पावर हो, the negative number which having an odd digit power, that will always answer us in a negative number, and the negative number which having an even digit power, even digit as in a power, then we will get a positive answer. Correct. So here -1, this is a negative number, -1 is our negative number, -1 is having an power of even number. क्या है? Odd number. Sorry, 11 is an odd number. So -1, that is a negative number which having an power of odd number, so it will give result in a negative number. Correct. So -1 raised to the power 11 multiply with here -2 is an our negative number. Negative number is having an a power of, किसका power है इसका, even है या odd है? Here the power is an even number. Correct. So मैंने क्या बताया है, if any negative number which having its power as an even digit, even power, then we will get its answer in a positive. Okay, so this negative will be removed, we will get simple 2 raised to the power 4. Now here we having negative number -3 raised to the power of 5. Here negative power, here negative number is having its power raised to the 5, that is an odd number. Correct. This is an our odd number. Correct. Here 5 is an our odd number. So the negative number which having a power odd number, that will always result in an our negative number. Correct. So we will get here answer in a -3 raised to the power 5. Now see here, we having negative sign here, this also, and here this also, and these both negative signs are in multiplication. ये दोनों नेगेटिव साइंस क्या है, आपस में मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है. सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, on multiplying any negative number with negative number, we will get a positive number. Correct. On multiplying any negative number with any other negative number, we will get an answer in a positive number. Correct. So here we will get positive answer. Okay, so these all negative signs will be removed. We will remove these both negative signs. So this we will write as this 2 raised to the power this and 3 raised to the power 5. Now 1 raised to the power 11 means 1 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है 11 टाइम्स. 1 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 1 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 1 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 1. बट हम जानते हैं, व्हाट वी नो, इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई 1 विथ 1 we will get again 1. Correct. So here this output will be 1. Now here 2 raised to the power 4 means 2 is multiplying with 4 times. Okay, 2 multiply with 2 multiply with 2 multiply with 2. Now here 3 raised to the power 5 means 3 is multiplying 5 times. Okay. Now on solving this we will get our result 3888. Okay, 3888. In this way you can solve your C part. Okay, so do it yourself. Now I am going to taking our question number 8. What is our question number 8 is saying, express each of the followings in the power of their prime factors. In the power of their prime factors. Okay. Express each of following in the powers of their prime factors. So here our A part is 288. Here we will first going to factorize this 288. Okay, so I am going to do here our rough work. Okay, this is in my rough work. Okay, I am making this column as in my rough work. Now what I will make here, I will going to making the factorize of 288. Okay, in an prime numbers. Okay, so 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 3 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 18 are 36, 2 9 are 18, then 3 3 are 9, then 3 1 are 3. So what we having here, factors of 288 is 2 cross 2 cross 2. How much times? 1 2 3 4 5, 5 times. 3 4 and 5. This 3 we having here 2 times. Okay, so how we can arrange these terms into their form of powers? हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ पे पावर की फॉर्म में अरेंज करना है. तो 2 यहाँ पे कितने टाइम रिपीट हो रहा है? 5 टाइम्स. 1 2 3 4 5. सो वी कैन राइट दिस 2 as to the raised to the power 5 multiply 3 raised to the power 2 times. Here 3 is 2 times, so this is our answer. Correct. Now going to take our B part, that is 1250. Okay, so I'm going to factorize 1250 here. Okay, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, then 6 5 11 11, no 5 1s are 5, then 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, then again 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, then again 5 5 5s are 25, then again 5 1s are 5. So here we are having the factors of 1250 as in 2 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply by 5. So here 2 is repeating only one time, so we will write 2 raised to the power 1 multiply 5 is repeating here 4 times. 5 is repeating here 4 times, so 5 raised to the power 4. So this is another method of representation into the form of powers. Okay, so in this way you can solve the further C and D part. Do yourself. Okay, now I am going to proceed our question number 9. Express the following in exponential form, exponential notation. Okay, here our first part question is saying that 3 multiply with 3 multiply with 3 multiply with 3 5 times, and here is another 5 multiply with 5 multiply with 5 multiply with 5. हमें क्या करना है? एक्सप्रेस करना है, मीन्स हमें लिखना है इस तरीके से. किस तरीके से लिखना है? हाउ वी नीड टू राइट? वी नीड टू राइट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एक्सपोनेंशियल नोटेशन. मीन्स हमें इन्हें एक्सपोनेंशियल यानी पावर्स की फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करके लिखना है. ओके, सो हाउ वी विल राइट? हियर वी हैविंग 3 is multiplying itself by 5 times. So 3 multiply with 3 multiply with 3 multiply with 3 multiply with 3. Here 3 is getting multiplied to itself 5 times. So here we will write the base as in our 3 and raised to the power 5, because 3 यहाँ कितने टाइम मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा है? 5 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा है. करेक्ट. सो हियर 3 raised to the power 5. Now here the 5 is repeating multiplying itself for 5 times. So here we will write base as 5 and 5 raised to the power 5. So this way we can arrange them into an exponential notation. Okay, taking our B part, minus 5 multiply with 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 minus 5. Divide by, this is a divide symbol, divide by 9 multiply 9 multiply 9 9 multiply 9 multiply 9. Okay, so here I can write all these. Here minus 5, this negative 5 is repeating how much times? 6 times. How much times? 6 times. So we will write here minus 5 raised to the power 6. Correct, because here negative 5 is repeating for 6 times. So we can write this negative 5 as an raised to the power 6. Now divide by 9. How much times this 9 is getting repeating? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Again this 9 is getting repeating for 6 times, so we will write 9 as in our base and raised to the power 6. So this is the form of representation into the our exponential notations, correct? Now for the next C and D, you can do it yourself. C and D in the same similar way you can write C and D also, okay? So do it yourself, okay? Now I am going to taking our question number 10th. Question number 10th. Express the following rational numbers into the exponential notations. Further express them as the power of the prime factors. Okay, हमें क्या करना है, उन्हें एक्सप्रेस करना है into the form of their prime factors and okay. First question we having like this. Here again I am making here my column for rough work, okay? Here I am making a column for my rough work. You do not need to write these into your fair copy. If you also want to write in your fair copy, make it a rough column into your right side, okay, portion, okay? You can also make a rough work portion into your fair copy, into your page on the right side, okay? So rough work, here is my rough work. Here I am going to factorize first 27 then 1000, okay? So 27 factors are 2 से डिवाइड होता नहीं है, 3 से. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, then 3 1s are 3. So we having here factors of 27 as in the form of, I can write this 27 as 3 cross 3 cross 3. 3 multiply with 3 multiply with 3. What will I get? Again 27. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, correct? So I will get 27. Now I am going to factorize 1000, okay? 1000. First 2 5s are 10, then 0 0, then 2 2s are 4, then 0, 2 2s are 4, then 2 5s are 10, then 0, then 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. We are having here 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, correct? So here we have find it out the factors of 1000. So we can write this 1000 into the form of 2 multiply with 2 multiply with 2 multiply with 5 multiply with 5 multiply with 5, okay? So I can write this into the form of 2 cross 2 cross 2, 5 cross 5 cross 5, okay? So we will going to express this in the form of 3 is getting repeating for 3 times. So we will write this 3 as in our base and 3 raised to the power 3, because here 3 is getting repeating for 3 times, correct? So now here 2 is repeating for 3 times, so we will write here 2 raised to the power 3, and here 5 is getting repeating for 3 times again. So we will write here 5 as in our base and 5 is repeating for 3 times, so we will write it here 5 raised to the power 3. So in this way we will arrange these terms into the form of our exponential notations, okay? Now we taking our questions B part, that is 512 dividing by 729. So first I am going to factorize 512. So from 512, how I will going to factorize this? I will start from 2 2s are 4, then 1, 2 5s are 10, then 1 2 6 are 12, again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, remaining 1, 2 8s are 16, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, then 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, and remainder 1, 2 6 are 12, 2 8 जा 16, 2 4 जा 8, 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, then 2 1 जा 2. So here we having factors of 512 as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 times 2, 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and then 9. And now here we are going to find it out the factors of 729. So 9 plus 2 is an 11, 11 plus 7 is 18. So yes, it is divisible by 3. 3 2 is 6, remainder 1, then 4, 3 4 is 12, then 3 3 is 9, and 4 5 6 7 8 9, 4 5 6 7 5 6 7 8 9, 9. So again 3 3 8 ja 24, then 3 1 ja 3, then again with 3 3 2 ja 6, then we get 1 2 remainder, 3 7 ja 21, then again with 3 9 ja 27, 3 3 is 9, then 3 1 is 3. So we having here factors of 729 as 3 multiply with 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 3, means we having 6 times 3, 3 3 3 3 3 and 3. So we can write this into the form of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 times 2. So 9 as our base raised to the power 9, because here 2 is repeating for 9 times. 3 3 raised to the power 6 times. Okay, so this is the form of our representation into the form of exponentials notations. Okay, now further, if I will going to solve the D part, that is -1 divided by 1 to 5. So here -1 will remain always -1. Okay, I can write it down this power 1, and here 125. हमें 125 के फैक्टर्स करने हैं. 125. So 5 6 7 8. So it is not divisible by 3. It is divisible by 5. 5 2 is 10. 5 5 is 25. Then 5 5 is 25. Then 5 1 is 5. So what we are having here? 5 multiply with 5 multiply with 5. Correct. Here we having -1 raised to the power 1 dividing by 5 is getting multiplying with 3 times. So 5 as our base raised to the power 3. So this is our answer. Correct. So students, please do remaining parts of questions in notebook. Okay, thank you.